Hey there, urban farmers. Are you tired of putting in all that hard work and still struggling to turn a profit on your urban farm? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm going to share 7 hidden secrets to maximize your profits and take your urban farming business to the next level. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Secret number 1, optimize your crop selection. This means growing high-value crops that thrive in small spaces. Think microgreens, herbs, and specialty vegetables. These crops not only fetch higher prices but also have shorter growing cycles, allowing you to harvest more frequently. Next up, secret number 2, utilize vertical gardening. Space is a premium in urban areas, so make the most of it by growing up. Vertical gardens can significantly increase your yield without needing additional land. Plus, they look super cool, right? Secret number 3, leverage local market trends. Stay ahead of the curve by researching what's hot in your local food scene. Maybe there's a rising demand for organic produce or a newfound love for exotic herbs. Whatever it is, capitalize on it. All right, moving on to secret number 4, implement crop rotation and companion planting. These techniques help maintain soil health and reduce pests naturally. Healthy soil means better crops, and better crops mean bigger profits. Secret number 5, embrace technology. Use apps and smart tools to monitor your crops and automate tasks like watering and fertilizing. This not only saves time but also increases efficiency and yields. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good gadget? Secret number 6, tap into local community support. Engage with your community through farmers markets, CSA programs, and social media. Building strong relationships with customers can lead to loyal, repeat buyers and word-of-mouth referrals. Your community is your best ally. Finally, secret number 7, diversify your income streams. Don't just rely on selling produce. Offer workshops, farm tours, or even create a line of value-added products like jams, pickles, or herbal teas. The more diverse your income, the more stable your business. There you have it, folks. 7 hidden secrets to skyrocket your urban farm profits. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with these strategies, you're well on your way to a thriving urban farm. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start growing your profits today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Happy farming!